AquaTechFantasy, and I'm about to show you how to stream. You know what I'm saying? So look, if you just came to this channel, right? You just came to listen, hey, are you ready to stream? Well, all you have to do is this is the first thing you have to do, okay? Like you can have whatever microphone you have. If you don't have a webcam, sure, you just need a microphone, okay? I would say just get a microphone. It's 2026, you need a microphone, okay? That's number one. Get a microphone, and whether it's your laptop, whether it's just another microphone, your headset microphone, just have that, okay? That's all you need. And a good, decent PC to stream and take the load. Either if you're streaming on console, then your console has streaming, so then you really don't necessarily need to watch a tutorial. But this is just for PC. So if you have a decent PC, a modern PC, and you have your microphone, you're ready to go, okay? So that's the first thing you're gonna need, okay? The second thing is you're gonna have to install OBS Studio, okay? That is the second thing, okay? So I'm going to put the link in the description below. The first program you need is OBS. This is the program that I'm using right now that you are watching me on to stream. It's the open broadcast software. Basically, imagine this is your canvas, okay? This is what people are going to see. Okay, they're going to see whatever you put on your screen. And the broadcaster, the OBS program, this is your tool to stream out to the world, okay? So you're going to hit Windows and you're going to download, okay? And then once you download the program, it's going to go through everything. You're going to install it in a certain place, wherever you want to install it at. But once you finish installing OBS, I want you to pause the video, install it, and then come back, and then we'll open up OBS. All right, so I can imagine that you just installed OBS and you paused the video. So now that we're here, bam! Okay, all right, don't be blinded by this, okay? This is just the actual screen, okay? So look, if this is OBS, okay? OBS, you're gonna have a plain vanilla OBS. You're not gonna have any of this stuff on here. You're not gonna have none of this stuff over here as well, okay? Don't even be confused by this, okay? This is what it's gonna look like. Right now you are seeing a blank screen, okay? Because this is what I want you to see, okay? But that is not it. I want you to see the screen, okay? So you're not going to have any of these, okay? This is what you're going to see, okay? We're going to open up a new scene, okay? On the left side, you're going to hit plus, okay? This is your scene. If you want to record gaming videos, if you want to do, okay, let's just do gaming, okay? Just gaming. So you're going to hit the plus on this bottom left, okay? You're going to make a scene. Call this gaming, just gaming, okay? You're going to hit okay, okay? All right. Since I already have one, I'm gonna name it Gaming 1, but you can just name it Gaming. Okay, I'm gonna hit Gaming there. Okay, so now we are on the Gaming. Okay, you're gonna see your sources, your audio mixer, things like that. Okay, so you're gonna hit the plus on the sources. Okay, on the middle screen. I'm gonna record this at the same time so we know it's real. Okay, hold on a second. So you're going to hit sources, okay? And once you hit sources, you're going to hit matter of fact, just do display capture, okay? Display capture. That means it's going to get your whole display. This is your display. Display is whatever you're showing it on, okay? Display capture. We're going to do screen 1. That's probably the best way to do it, okay? And then hit okay. All right? And then it's going to show capture. Okay, you're going to do whichever screen you want. Primarily, that's what you're going to see here. Now, oh wait, that's my primary. Hold up, my fault. All right, my primary is this one for now. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to hit okay. All right, now if the screen is ever too big, as you can see, it's showing the screen, but it's way too big. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it, and we're going to hit transformation, and we're going to fit to screen. Okay. So everything now fits into the screen. Okay, so I stopped recording on my phone here. So now, as you can see, this is the start of your OBS journey, okay? You are now streaming, or you now have your computer screen on your actual top. So this is the beginner, okay? So this is all you pretty much need. This is how you stream, right? So if your microphone is going on, but you don't see the meters like this moving, okay? You're gonna wanna hit the 3 dots, and you're gonna go to properties. okay? And then it's going to show you your devices. You need to pick your microphone device. If it's your laptop microphone, it's probably going to be like Realtek or something or whatever. It's going to be the normal John, okay? Whichever one, just get one to where your levels move. Once your levels move on the bottom, that means you got the correct microphone, okay? And changing the sound and everything, it's going to be a whole nother video, okay? But this is, you know, as long as you set the microphone up, you know, you can set it up, and then you can record your own video right here so you can hear yourself and make sure it's the right volume, you know. And then of course, you know, you can minimize this, and then now you're able to do your own thing, go ham and do what you want to do now on your computer. You can open up a game, you know what I'm saying? You can open up a game if you want to, or whatever you need. This is the easiest way to stream, okay? Like, you have OBS, which you have your recording, your streaming program, okay? And then now you have the basic knowledge of having your screen here. And you can add a bunch of more sources here. There's game capture if you want to just capture a .exe like file or game, you know, just the game itself. You know, and there's different things you can add on here, but this is all you need. This is the start of your stream, okay? So I hope this is easy for you. If you have any more questions, please ask, because I can make a video just like this. I comment on everyone's comment, so just know that. Let's get it, let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Hope you do good on your streaming and recording journey. Peace.